take this oil filter off. Oil filter off. Oil filter off. Can I just grab it? Probably not. I really like this style of oil filter wrench, by the way, because I've never seen it not work. Did I drain the oil out of this? Does it matter? By the way, YouTube, I cleaned it up some, but I wanted to get rid of this sludge. That's what we're doing here. Look at all that. But here's a seal that's bad. It's causing all this. It's just flinging oil. And why not? It's out. It's pretty easy to work on right now, especially is the time to do it. Next up, I'm going to remove these two clamps. Sludgy, sludgy. Actually, I don't think I gotta remove that one. Next up, I'm going to remove that one clamp. Can you see that nut in there? I believe that is a 24. I believe that because it fits. Let's see if we can take it off. That's not too bad. Was I filming? Yes, I was. Awesome. So, from there you should be able to just pull this off. You can see this is coolant, that's oil, and then that's the other side of the coolant line. And that's how it's getting a water-cooled, oil-to-water cooler, I believe is it's known in these parts. We'll just go ahead and take it off. I kind of want to see what it looks like. Because some Subarus, have these, and some don't. And I don't understand the logic. You okay down there? And there's that sill. That's what always seems to be the problem. There are, I'll be honest, there's little cracks in this that I can feel, but they're not really wanting to show up on camera. There's also oil on it, so let's still assume that's the problem. Also, these are known to leak. I don't know if it's an old wives' tale or if it is true, but I've always put just a little bit of oil on this seal. So while I have that off, you can see all this oil, kind of, actually a lot, but I'm going to go ahead and scrape this off. Now I'm using the ancient Chinese technique of a razor blade and a pair of pliers. This should... Now that's about as clean of a surface as we're going to get. So, let's go ahead and reinstall it. To slide those clamps up and down. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put that socket back on here, and we're going to torque it down to, I believe, 40 pound-feet. Again, 24 millimeter socket.